A third method of chisel grinding has been recently introduced to Toolroom RN34 to the OD and ball finish cycle. Basically, a chisel is used when the ball nose is actually cutting in the center. So for center cutting, you will need a chisel angle so that the ball nose cuts much better in the center. This option can be activated through the preferences menu. When you go to the grind, there's an enable ball nose chisel panel. Once you enable this, okay, and when you come to the OD and ball finish, you get an additional tab called the linear chisel. Now you've got to enable the use the linear chisel, and you've got an automatic and a manual mode. So generally customers use this manual mode and manipulate the X and Y axis, and using a Z offset they can get a different chisel angle or grind any linear chisel as their preference. And you can see here now the chisel angle is changed compared to the one before.